Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Nate Barger, and today we're going to talk about amortization. Amortization, as a definition, is a process of combining both interest and principal payments rather than simply paying off interest at the start. This allows you to build more equity in the home early on. Talked about $150,000 property that you put $30,000 down on, which was 20%. Using the BRRRR method, we're going to show you how you could have gotten that property and not had your $30,000 locked up. So make sure you join us on BRRRR Invest on Facebook if you're not on there. We got over 100,000 people, and all of them like to help each other out, and there are a few of them that don't. So we talked about this 7% APR, which I know you guys are saying that's nuts. That's historically, over the past 50 years, what we've averaged. So let's go back down into more meaningful times, which is right now 4%. Let's say you got 4% on 120 grand, paying $572.90 in principal and interest. But again, that is called your amortization schedule. Here's a breakdown of your amortization schedule. Up here in the blue, you have principal. This means every month you have a payment that is going directly to your payoff. The interest is what the bank gets to keep. So see this gradually over time, the chart goes down and it gets in your favor. You're paying off more principal than you are interest. Let's look at the chart here. So year one, August of 2021, you're paying the bank on your first payment for that $120,000, a monthly payment of $572.90. $400 of that is interest, and $172.90 is principal reduction, meaning your loan amount is going down. This is helping build your balance sheet or your personal net worth every month, because the property, assuming it's not going down in value and you're not in an area like, I don't even know what area that's going down, maybe Flint, Michigan, and maybe just certain parts of Flint, Michigan, or certain parts of Memphis, but across the country, values are rising drastically. And now, will that continue to happen? We're going to do a video later about that. But principal $172.90. Let's go to August of 2022. Look at that. See, now instead of only paying $172.90 off a month, you're paying off $179.94. Let's look at 12 months later. Goes to $187. 12 months later, $194. 12 months later, $202. I learned all this stuff. I'm not even that smart. I got like C's in school, man. If I got C's, I was happy. If I got D's, I was like, I can handle things. I'm smart. So look, man, make sure you follow me, hit the like button, subscribe. I'm going to show you how me and my partners were able to buy hundreds of millions of dollars in real estate and plan on buying, honestly, billions of dollars over the next 5 years using the same methodology and thinking.